Hey there, wonderful viewers. Welcome back to Health and Wellness Tips channel. Today, we've got something exciting to talk about. We're diving into the world of mood-boosting foods that can make your day a little brighter. If you ever find yourself feeling a bit down or looking for an extra dose of happiness, stick around because we've got some delicious solutions for you. Let's get started. Food number 1, dark chocolate. First up, we have the ultimate mood lifter, dark chocolate. Not only does it taste heavenly, but it also contains compounds that can trigger the release of endorphins in your brain, those feel-good hormones. Remember, moderation is key here, but indulging in a square or two can be a delightful mood booster. Food number 2, berries. Moving on to something colorful and sweet, berries. Blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, they're all loaded with antioxidants and vitamins that can help reduce oxidative stress and inflammation. Plus, the vibrant colors alone can brighten your day. So, toss them into your morning yogurt or snack on them for a burst of happiness. Food number 3, fatty fish. Now, let's dive into the ocean. Fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and trout are packed with omega-3 fatty acids. These healthy fats are known to boost your brain health and mood. Incorporating fish into your diet a couple of times a week can do wonders for your overall well-being. Food number 4, nuts and seeds. Next up, we've got a crunchy and satisfying option: nuts and seeds. Almonds, walnuts, and flax seeds are rich in nutrients like magnesium and zinc, which play a role in regulating mood and reducing stress. Just a small handful can keep those mood swings at bay. Food number 5, leafy greens. Last but definitely not least, let's get our greens on. Leafy greens like spinach, kale, and Swiss chard are fantastic mood boosters. They're packed with folate, which helps your brain produce those happy neurotransmitters, like serotonin. So, whip up a delicious salad or sneak them into your smoothie for that extra dose of positivity. And there you have it, folks, 5 fantastic foods to boost your mood and keep those spirits high. Remember, it's all about finding the balance and enjoying these mood-enhancing foods as part of your overall healthy diet. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more fantastic content on health and wellness tips. Stay happy, stay healthy.